numbers 1 to 10 with animals.
Pixo drives a tractor, rolling down the lane, through the fields and grassy hills, sunshine or rain.
Let's count the animals. Pixo gives a cheer.
Come along, Lil Friends, the farm fun's here. One big cow says moo, 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 eating some grass in the morning dew.
Two woolly sheep go ba, 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 jumping and playing near the tractor car.
Three pink pigs rolling in the hay, snorting and giggling all the day.
Four clucky hens go cluck, 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 pecking in the garden for a little luck.
Five silly goats with horns held high, climbing on the rocks, oh my, oh my. Six strong horses go neigh, 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 trotting around in the golden hay.
Seven little chicks go cheep, 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 following their mama in a wiggly sweep.
Eight funny ducks waddle to the pond, splashing in the water with a little quack song.
Nine cute bunnies hop, 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 playing hide and seek near the carrot crop.
10 tiny puppies bark with glee, chasing their tails by the old oak tree.
Pixo counts the animals.
Wow, what a crew!
1 to 10 we learn something new.
Let's come back tomorrow, he gives a smile.
Fun on the farm goes on for miles.
See you. Bye-bye, kids.
Color pencil.